So today I wanted to give you guys a little closer look at this Root-Up electric lunchbox. This is cordless. You can use this at a job site, work. You can take this on the go in the car. You can take this camping. I mean, it really can be used for so many different things. So I do want to thank the company that sent me this. I love how it comes with an extra bag. This is insulated so you can easily carry it. Has these really easy just like flip things here. Has a handle to be able to carry it as well. And then inside it does have a lid as well as a stainless steel inner. This is really nice. You can fit a ton of food in here. It even has a little thing that you can separate it if you want to bring two different things. You don't want them to mix. It's really easy to use with this power button. It has different modes. You can set a timer to have it done at a certain time, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys just a little closer look at how this comes packaged and how I use this. The lunchbox comes really nicely packaged in this box. It comes with a bag, it comes with a plug, a little strap, an instruction manual, a divider, and then it has the lunchbox. The lunchbox has a lid, an insert, and it comes with a power cord as well as a fork and a spoon. It comes with everything that you see here laid out, really is all in one. I love that it comes with a little bag. It has little clips with a strap. It's adjustable, a handle. It has a fork and a spoon, a little pocket there. It's got a double zipper, and it's insulated as well, so it keeps your food cold or hot depending on what you want, and everything fits in here really nicely. And the lunchbox is super easy to operate, just has a power button to turn it on, then it has the mode button, so you can push that. This is on timer mode, so you can go up and down in 30-minute increments, up to 12 hours, or it'll automatically go 40 minutes heating, 30 minutes keep warm, and then it shuts off automatically. And the next mode, if you click over, is the reheat mode for refrigerated cooked food. This one will heat for 60 minutes, keep warm for 30 minutes, and then shut off automatically. And the third mode is room temperature mode for heating food that is already at room temperature. So you just push that button, it automatically heats for 40 minutes, keeps warm for 30 minutes, and then shuts off automatically. And the fourth mode is heating mode. So you can actually push up and down to change the time that it'll heat, and then push that mode button again and change the temperature as well. So you can have a specific temperature for whatever you have in there. And the last mode is keep warm mode. This will keep food warm up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and this one will continuously run until it's manually turned off. So there are 5 precise heating modes and timers. You can have exactly what you need it for. You can also put it on standby mode. You can turn it completely off by pushing and holding it. You can even turn the lock button on if you have a kid that's around it so they don't play with it at all. And this does have a 2400 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, so it just has that Type-C port there, and you can easily plug it in with that wall plug that it comes with. And you can see it does have a battery life indicator on it. You can also use this as a power bank. If you wanted to charge anything that has a Type-C charger, you can charge that. And my favorite way to use it is when I'm just reheating food and I want to have it for lunch. It has a little divider. I can put things for like a breakfast burrito in there. I can put my tortilla in a separate one. I love that it heats it up really quickly as well. And this is refrigerated food. It only takes about 60 minutes to heat up or even less. And it does have this really nice leak-proof lid as well as the extra locking lid as well. So I know nothing's going to leak out. Really easy to set. Has all those different timers and temperatures that you can set. I love that this is stainless steel as well. I feel really good about using it. It's got a really rapid 100-watt heating on it. And it does have that bag so I can easily carry it if I want to go out somewhere for lunch. And I love when you're looking at this, you can tell exactly what mode it's on, the temperature, the time, and the battery life. You can see this is fully done here. It's nice and hot. I love that I can use this so easily when I'm going places. And this container can fit up to 5 cups of food. It has a really large capacity. I love how it just heated up really quickly. It has a fork and a spoon, everything that I need to be able to eat with. It was just so easy and convenient to use and just works really well. So I would definitely recommend.